Hello, and today we're going to do a demonstration on how to use Autodraw. So autodraw.com, you should just be able to type it into your Chrome browser and come up with this screen. And with this screen, you're going to show a picture. So there's different tools on the left-hand side. One of them is Select, Autodraw, Regular Draw, Type, Fill, Shape, choosing color, zoom, undo, and delete. So I'm going to start with the Autodraw function. If you want to tell what you did over quarantine or what you want to do this summer, maybe you'll start out with a shape, a rectangle, and it'll show you a bunch of shapes at the top. You're going to choose whichever one looks more like the shape you want. So there I drew a triangle on top, and now it's going to assume that you want a house. I'm going to choose a house that looks kind of like mine, and now I want it to be bigger. So I'm going to choose the Select tool and click on the house, and now it'll give me options to make it bigger or smaller. If you want a different color, you can change it over here. Okay, then go back to Autodraw and start to draw some other things. While I was in quarantine, I planted some plants, so I'm going to try to draw some leaves. Maybe it'll show some grass, so I'll choose some grass over here. Let's see what else I have. Some flowers as well. So once I have that shape, I can duplicate it by clicking Select and highlighting it. And if it's highlighted, you can use the hotkeys and press and hold Control and press C. That'll copy it onto your clipboard, and then if you press and hold Control and then V, you will have an exact duplicate of the one that you had just drawn. So if you want to make a copy. Again, if you want to change the color, or the size, this is how you might drag and click. Again, see if I can find a carrot shape. There we go. Let's say you want to choose, I'm going to use brown, but I got to use my Select, make sure it's highlighted. And then I'm going to use my Fill tool with an orange for my carrot. Let's see if I can add green for the carrot top. There we go. And again, if I click, press Control Copy, and then Control V, I can make a few carrots with the colors already added. And then change the sizes to make it more appropriate to fit into my picture. Let's say you are finished with your assignment. It's going to, you can save it by clicking these three lines in the corner and press download, and it'll download to your computer. You can also click share if you'd like, and it'll prepare to share. It only has a few different ways to share, but you can copy the link if you'd like. Up here in the corner, you can kind of close that screen. I'm going to use the downloaded option though. When you have your picture downloaded, you can go to your classroom, your Google Classroom, and there's the stream that'll show work, and then there's classwork. This bar at the top will show your assignments. Here's my create an online picture using Autodraw, and I'm going to view my assignment. Here it has all of the Autodraw comments and videos, and I'm going to turn my work in here. I'm going to add or create my work. So again, here's the link. So I can add that link that I copied. I can add the file, or I can create a new document, slideshow, sheet, or drawing. So because it is supposed to be used from Autodraw, I'm going to add that file that downloaded. And once it is all loaded up, then I get to push upload, and it'll wait until it stops thinking and it's completely uploaded. Now it's uploaded into my assignments. I can add more if I want to. So let's say I made 2 or 3 drawings, I can add more or just turn it in. It says 1 attachment, turn in your work, asking you, and I'm going to turn it in. So don't forget, once you upload it, you have to click turn in still. And it's thinking. So it might take a couple seconds to actually turn in the assignments completely. So we'll give it a second to turn it in. And now my work is turned in. So it will tell me that it's turned in. Let's say you accidentally uploaded the wrong document. You can unsubmit it and then put a new one in if you'd like. But once it's turned in, you're all set. You don't have to worry about anything else.